As deputies searched inside a red Conex box,
deputies discovered that the floor opened and they were able to descend into an underground bunker.
The discovery, more than 30 of those boxes several feet underground, spanning about 14,000 square feet and with more than 6,000 marijuana plants inside. Massive underground illegal marijuana grow operation and the largest ever discovered.
That's right. Officials say that the marijuana found in this operation is valued at anywhere from $4.5 to $9 million. Now, out of the 11 people who have been charged, 5 of them have been arrested. The other 6 are still outstanding.
I've had deputies pass by these areas and had rounds go through their front window, and not because they knew it was the cops, simply because they knew that someone was getting too close to their investment.
We're on top of what once used to be a structure up here. Looks like they were building something here. Look at this. This is completely abandoned now.
That's when I noticed a container which led to an underground bunker. I was a bit hesitant to go inside. I didn't know who or what I would find if I went down there. Mind you, I was out here by myself in the middle of the desert.
Yeah, I'm not sure about going in here. It's a little sketchy in here. Looks crazy. Wonder what they were building in here.
As I made my way down, I noticed some recent footprints on the ground. At this point, I still had no idea what this place was.
This is the view from the bottom. This looks like an abandoned construction site here. I had no idea this was here. The last time I was out here, I didn't venture out this far. This looks incredible though. Wow. There were growing some plants out here or something. Wonder what this was.
That's when I heard some noises across the room and I knew I had to get the f out of there.
I think I'm gonna get out of here now. It's starting to feel real sketchy in here. So,
I've never seen anything like this before. I just wish I had more time to explore.
I wonder what they were growing down there. Let's see what's in here. It's like a fridge. It's definitely a fridge. What's in here? It's like a trailer. Bed in here. It's a tub. Another bedroom in here. I had no idea this was in here. Bunch of beds on here. So much shoe. Small kitchen. And so, yeah, that was pretty sketchy. And stuff we found was just right in there. There's a whole bunch of lights are left out there. Wonder what they were growing in there. But it's getting really, really hot out here, so I'm gonna start making my way back now. I'm gonna send my drone up here in a bit and wrap it up. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace.
After driving back home and doing a little bit of research was when I realized the scale of this operation and just how dangerous it was.
The problem is that when you have these massive industrial illegal grows, is what you're doing is you're putting unfair competition on an industry that's trying to be regulated.